What's up to all you people looking forward to financial freedom? I'm here to help you with side hustles, crypto, anything and everything that has to do with money. I'm here for you. Today I'm here to show you how to stake your Crow coin on crypto.com. First, what you want to do is grab your phone, whether it's a Droid, iPhone, whatever it is, grab your phone. Make sure you have a crypto.com account. And if you don't have one, don't worry. I'm going to supply you with my link down below in the comment section or the description box. Click that link, sign up, and now you are on your way. That's the first step already done to staking your Crow and hopefully making you money in the future. So log in, boom. Once you log in, you will see the home page, right? So what you want to do is click the blue button in the middle of the screen. Once you click the blue button on the home screen, go down to finance and it says earn. Once you click that, you want to hit the plus button on the top right screen, right above that 232. Once you see that, you'll get a list of coins. As you can see, it's a whole list of them. But today, what we want is the crypto.com coin, and it gives you the option select term. You can choose the flexible where you can put it in, pull out whenever you want. You can go 1 month term or the 3 month term. As you can see, you get the 4%, 2%, 6%. Me, I'm gonna go the 3 month. I'm just gonna keep it in there because this is a long term for me. Whatever works for you, you can click on whatever. You have the option to click on whatever. As you can see, everything's highlighted. Me, I'm gonna go to 3 month. So boom, it's gonna give you the terms. You can read through it. I've already read through it, and then go to continue. So now, as you can see, 500 Crow is the minimum. This asset will be held for 3 months and will be available again on May 17, 2022. I'm okay with that. From my crypto wallet, I have about 5. I moved it somewhere else, so yeah. So with that being said, insufficient funds as it says down below. So what we want to do is go back, right? Go all the way back to the home screen. Go back and click on crypto wallet. You want to click on the crypto.com coin. Now you want to hit buy. I'm going to blur it out so you can't really see my card number. You can add your credit card, or you can go to your crypto wallet. I have my USD coins here. I'm going to add 600 worth, all right? 600 Crow worth. So I'm going to hit buy. Boom, buy. As you can see, it gives me the confirm buy Crow. You get the timer in the top right. I'm going to hit confirm. Alright, as you can see on the screen, you purchased your 600 Crow. Now we're going to go back. We're going to go back, hit the blue home button, go back to earn. And I'm going to hit the plus sign again. Crypto.com coin. And once again, you got the flexible 1 month, 3 month. I'm gonna go with the 3 month because, like I said, this is a long term for me. I'm just gonna hold it for a while. So boom, boom, terms, continue. I'm gonna put my max in there. 605.7 Crow. Deposit Crow. And then once again, it's gonna ask you to confirm it. Amount, term, 6 months or 3 months. The APR is 6%. Method Crow wallet. And you deposited 605 Crow. As you can see now, 3 month term is locked, ends in 90 days. Crypto.com coin, 605.7 is in there, 6%. And yeah, that's plain and simple. Simple as that. You are now locking up your coin, earning interest on it. And who doesn't love earning interest on their money? Who doesn't love that? So that's the first step to doing it. Like I said, click the link down below. Make an account, get your crypto card. It increases the percentage on your term. So make sure you upgrade your card as well. Like, comment, subscribe. We got plenty of more all throughout the year. Stay tuned. But once again, like and comment, subscribe. We got plenty more videos coming soon. And with that being said, we gone.
Money on my mind, yeah. Money on my, okay. Money on my mind, yeah. I be on my grind. A young nigga be shining. Yeah, big blunt full of sauce. I need me a light, okay. Two-tone is my